Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Chegg app not working. So if Chegg application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, try using the app and your problem could be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, there might be some bugs in the app. In that case, what you have to do is simply update the app in order to fix the bugs. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Chegg. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Chegg Study. Once you do that, tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. After you do that, your app should start working. But if the application is still not working, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open App Library of your device. Find the application for Chegg Study and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface of Chegg. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to find two options, Clear Storage, Clear Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache and the cache of your app will be cleared. After you do that, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. For that, go back to the App Info interface. Tap on this option Uninstall that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option OK and your application will be uninstalled. After you do that, go to the Play Store and install the application again. After that, your app should start working. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. In that case, what you have to do is simply restart your device. For that, long press on the power button. Or if you're using the Android device, simply scroll down from the top of your screen. Now tap on the power icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, tap on the option Restart and your device will be restarted. After that, your application should start working. So that is how you fix Chegg app not working problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.